Hi, this is Afnan. Earlier video I show how the siphon is made, and I've assembled it and put it onto the new grow bed they are making for this home kit that you see in front. And now I'm just testing out and to make sure everything works fine, and probably fine-tuning the siphon. I'm using the Aqua 2000 pump, which is a 1800 liter per hour flow rate, and roughly I divide it into two, and because it's actually for 2 grow bed installation what I intend to do. Currently I'm showing you only 1 grow bed, and with a 100 gallon water tank for fish. Okay, let's just walk through the home kit. What we have here is the grow bed, and as you can see, it is a standard siphon and water inlet, just a simple T inlet with the metal rack that I do. Okay, the siphon is flushing currently, and showing you that it's operating. Still testing it out to make sure everything works without any problem. It's a bit noisy, but that siphon I made a silencer outlet to reduce the sound, but the main noise is coming from the bypass. The bypass make quite a splash. To reduce the noise from bypass, we can put a silencer on the bypass too, but this is just a temporary setup. The whole thing will be having 2 grow beds, so there will be no question of any bypass. Let's see whether the siphon have any problem in stopping. And the outlet is slightly different from previous that I demonstrate about 2 days ago, and it will probably take a slightly longer time in cutting off, because water in is quite high, but still there's not much of a problem of cutting off the siphon. There's no gravel in the grow bed, so there's a lot of water. Actual water quantity should be very much less once we fill it up with gravel. My intention is to put this set at the back of my house, and in this location is just for trial. There will be only 2 grow beds, so they will be very limited in space that I have. So I will plan carefully what kind of plant that I will grow, and I will try to get those high yield plant, so that I can make full use of the space available. Okay, right, and so that's still flushing. Still flushing. Just moving the tripod around, so let's see whether it's cut off. How soon it will cut off. It will take some time, but it never fails to cut off. It just takes a bit longer. Okay, you can hear the usual cut-off sound, and the grow bed will start to fill again. Okay, that's the water inlet. No problem, everything works fine. And I will make another grow bed, and then I will put everything at the back and run it without any fish for a few days, and then start to get fresh tilapia fingerlings that quite far away, but that's the best tilapia sauce that I can get over here. Okay, bye. Thank you for watching.